Imagine you opened your Netflix on your laptop and you took 15 minutes choosing a web series or a movie, then just a notification popped up and you end up your focus. You are on your phone scrolling reels 20, 30, 40, 200, 300. It has gone like 2 hours already, and you think that I was watching a movie. You realize that I was watching a movie, and the movie is still turned on, but you are not watching it because you are on your phone, you are scrolling the reels. Hey guys, it's me Gauri, and I made content for self improvement for teens. And I noticed a pattern that why can't we watch movies anymore without scrolling? Because most of the thing is that our attention span has been decreased to 47 seconds only. We can't focus for a 2 hour movie. And let me tell you, it is an unpopular opinion, but if you're watching a 2 hour movie, it is more productive than scrolling reels for 2 hours. Both are the excessive of both things are very, very different like thing. But I'm just telling about one movie or 2 hours of scrolling, just only that. And I have written some the causes and the solutions of this problem. So let me tell you in this video. Okay, why are we not able to watch movies? First of all, the notifications. The problem is notification. It popped up and you are like, oh, there's something important. And you are committed to watching that video or that information, and you didn't even realize that after getting that information, when you open Instagram and you are scrolling reels, you are literally out of your own control. You don't even know what you are doing. It feels like there is another person inside you who is trying to control you, and there is no person. There is one thing which is called our mind, which tries to control us, but we have to control our mind. By the way, I will make another video on this topic. So first of all, as I told you that our attention span has been lowered to 47 seconds. Earlier, like 20 years earlier, it was like 2 minutes, but now it is like it was not 2 minutes, it was 150 seconds, but now it is only 47 seconds. And I just wonder that why the people who were once able, we were the humans who were once able to focus for like 150 seconds. We have the attention span of 150 seconds, that it has been decreased to 47 seconds. And the reason is the improvement of technology. And I'm not saying that technology is our enemy. It is not. It helps us to learn, it helps us to communicate, it helps us to solve big problems. But technology is just a tool. It is not a replacement for our attention span. It is not a reason to decrease our attention span. You are the reason why your attention span is decreasing. And movies feels like a heavy task because 2 hours watching a movie, and the that what is called, and the climax of the movie comes after like 1 or 2 hours watching that movie, and you are completely blown out of your mind after that twist. If that movie is good, I'm just telling, you are just blown out of your mind and you don't even know what that next thing is going to happen. So it is very difficult for us to get committed towards the story and to look after what is the result. We are not even interested in the ending. We just feel like, okay, this happens, because we got the habit of literally very fast dopamine hits. When we watch a 30-second reel, we got one dopamine hit, and the next second you scroll that reel, you get another dopamine hit. So we are addicted towards the constant dopamine hit, which makes us happy, but it is not making you happy. It is just letting you escape from the situation, from the real world. And it is also said that it is an urge of us, that we are addicted towards that. If we get an urge of using our phones, like let us take an example that you are watching a movie and there is interval in the movie. It is written that intermission. Now you have just took a break from that movie. You went and you drank water and does something, and you came back. It's what you have to do in the break. You don't have to look for another screen during the break time. And let me make it clear that you have to fight the urge. It is never going to happen if you are going for friction. Yes, you have to go for friction. You have to keep your phones away while you are studying or while you are doing any important task, even while watching a movie, because our attention span has been lowered, as we all know. And the same is with our books also. We are not able to finish one book in a full week we are not able to finish. Like I am able to, I am a reader. Because if you want some suggestions, then you can watch my video. It is in the description, you can watch that video. I have given some recommendations. Okay, so what I was telling is we are not able to watch our books, we are not able to watch our books, wait sorry, we're not able to read our books. We are like, it feels like a burden to read a 350 pages book, but it is not. It is a burden to watch a 2 hour movie, but it is not. The burden is watching 2 hours scrolling, watching 200 reels in 2 hours. It is a burden, but your brain and your mind is tricking you. Okay, so let's go for the solutions. So as I told you, you have to maintain the friction, you have to fight the urge, and there is a technique which I applied to myself when I was in the initial stages of me quitting the addiction of phone and scrolling reels. Then I used to fight the urge whenever I got the urge that I have to look at a reel, or I have to watch this movie, or I have to finish this video, even though it is not even important. So what I did is I just took deep breaths. I prayed to my God, and I just waited for 10 minutes, just 10 minutes, that if that urge will remain, then it is something important. But if the urge has gone, if you convinced your mind that yes, it is not that important, then the urge has gone. But if the urge is there, then it is important and you should watch it. And as I've told, you should turn off your notifications, because the notifications are the problem. You are getting the notification and you are attracted towards that particular video or that reels. And you should try one more thing, which is called grayscale mode. There is an option in your settings where you can just go for color grading of your device. So you can go for grayscale. It will make your phone black and white, and it will seem less interesting for your mind, because your brain loves colorful things. And if the phone will not be in colorful, then your brain will feel it like it is something boring. You should do something else. So this is also a method, and you should try to watch a 2-3 hour movie, not because you have to increase your productivity. And I'm not saying that you should switch from 2 hours of scrolling to 2 hours of movies. I'm just telling that you should at least watch a movie once a week. Because if you have completed your most of the tasks, or 50% of your tasks, then from the week, then you should go for a movie, then you should go for watching a movie, or you should go for OTT platforms also. You should watch a movie every Friday, every weekend, because it will help your mind, that it will make your mind understand that after completing the task, it will get the reward. And the reward is watching the movie. It is not the constant dopamine hits. It is a long-term reward. So you have to convince your mind, and that is the only thing which you can do. I'm not going to do it, and I can't even do it. So that's all for today's video. If you liked it, then do hit the subscribe button. That's it. Bye bye.